impact driver and the Phillips. Square bits. Alright, no pre-drilling. So let's see the difference. Square bit sucked completely in without a problem. Where's this one right there? You could tell. And square bit, this one sucked in pretty well. Don't suck in as well, and then as you could tell, the little edge is poking out on this one, edge is poking out on this one, and all the square heads sucked in. My conclusion to the story is purchase the green square bit screws. They countersink a lot better, and they actually suck the cement board in compared to the Phillips. These Phillips heads, they go in, they leave a gap in between the backer board, the cement board, and the studs. So try to always buy the square bits, and you'll have a lot easier time installing the backer board. Good luck.